So guys, welcome back with another video. Today we're gonna have a look at the Air 3 Pro, another pair of AirPods Pro clones. Now this is one of the latest and greatest budget AirPods Pro clones on the market right now, and I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up. The price of this AirPods Pro clone is only gonna be $35.80. Now this is going to be the best AirPods Pro clones under $40. If you do add an extra dollar, you'll be able to pick up a silicone case, which I highly recommend. It's gonna be more worth. And of course you can pick up different colors. You do have the green, the blue, the black, the pink, or the white silicone case. And of course there's a reason why this only costs $36. There's a reason why this is so cheap comparing to the $50 and plus. In this model you're not gonna get the transparency mode or the ANC, but once again you gotta consider that this only costs $36. It is very cheap comparing to the original ones that cost $300 with tax. If you do want the transparency mode and ANC, then I recommend the more expensive models that cost $50 and plus. Now this seller is gonna be different from the others. If you do purchase this product from him, you're going to get the same retail box with the Apple logos and the Apple's trademarks, and you're also going to get engravings on the AirPods Pros. Now when it comes to the features, you're going to get Bluetooth 5.0, which will give you a very stable connection. It's going to work on iOS and Android devices. Other than that, you're going to get rename, remapping, GPS positioning, rear ear detections, rear ear sensors. You're also going to get 3.5 to 4 hours of listening time per charge, and of course you're going to get a wireless chargeable case just like the original ones. Now once you receive the package, it's going to be in a white plain box. This is in case if the product gets confiscated by the customs. It is in a white plain box, that way they won't be able to see the Apple logos on the package. And as you can see, we do have the stickers right here, very similar to the original ones, the Apple logos, the AirPods Pros with a wireless charging case, and finally the other Apple logo. At the bottom of the box, we're going to have the AirPods Pros right here and the Apple's trademark, and of course the box is going to be sealed in a plastic. So yeah, let's unbox them, see how good they are, see how good they're gonna perform comparing to the more expensive models that cost $50 and plus. Now for $36, I'm really impressed about the packaging. You know, it comes with a white plain box, that way you don't get your product confiscated, and you also get the retail box with the Apple logos. And of course the plastic is going to be really simple to remove, and the first thing you'll see right here is the AirPods Pros embossed on the box, and of course you'll be able to feel the little bump. So let's check out the Air 3 Pro, and as you can see, it is really simple to remove the lid of the box. The first thing you'll see right here is the package that says designed by Apple in California, and then in the back right here we do have 2019 and then the Apple's trademark. Inside the package you're going to see the user manual, the regulatory manual, the safety, and the warranty cards. Now here is the warranty cards. The first thing you'll see is the AirPods Pros. If you do open it up, it's going to be identical to the real deal. We do have the same writings and the same colors as the original ones. The next thing you'll see in the box is of course the AirPods Pros wrapped in a plastic. Then of course you're going to get the one-to-one exact ear tips as the original ones. Of course right here we do have the small and the large ear tips. Finally in the box you will have the charging cable, which will be lightning to USB-C. Now so far the packaging of this clone is basically identical to the real deal and very similar to the other clones, especially the more expensive ones. I'm really impressed that for only $36 you're going to get the retail box plus the engravings on the product. So here are the Air 3 Pro wrapped in the plastic. Let's remove the plastic and see how good they are, see how good they're gonna look compared to the real deal. Really easy to remove the plastic. And the first thing you'll see in front of the case is of course the LED, and then in the bottom you're going to have the lightning port where you can use the lightning cable to charge, or you can use your wireless charging pad to charge wirelessly. And in the back of the case of course you're going to get the metal hinge and the engravings, and finally the pairing button. If you do open the lid, you're going to see the green LED and of course the engravings on the top of the lid, very similar to the original ones. Now if I do remove the AirPods from the case, you can see that they got the same charging mechanism, the same pins on the bottom of the case, and of course a very strong reverse magnetic hinge, and as you can tell it takes a lot of force to actually close the lid. So as you can see, here's a closer look of the Air 3 Pro. Of course on the front we will have the real metal mesh. It is not a sticker, it is not painted on, it is actually a real metal mesh. It's not going to peel off. I'm currently scratching it, and as you can tell it is not coming off. Now when it comes to the vents of the product, it is also made of metal. It is not a plastic or a sticker. really high quality. I'm kind of shocked with the quality of this product. It's pretty good. And of course, we do have the engravings on the bottom of the AirPods, and of course the same charging mechanism with a white plastic and a chrome ring and a left indicator. You're going to get the same one-to-one air tips, as you can tell. So right now I'm going to connect the Air 3 Pros to my iPhone running on the latest version of iOS 13. Make sure to turn on the Bluetooth connection on your device, then open up the AirPods Pro clones, and then the next thing you do is simply tap on connect and then hold the pairing button on the back until it says connecting. And as you can see, they are connected. You can tap on a little X, and of course we will have the real battery percentage on the AirPods Pros, but also on the case. If I do remove one of the AirPods, you can see that animation does change. Now if you do go to the Bluetooth settings, of course you'll be able to change the name of the device. You will also be able to turn on the transparency mode or the ANC, but I'm pretty sure that they're not going to work. And then you'll be able to remap the pressure control, test out the air tip fit test. So right now I'm going to test out the sound quality of the Air 3 Pros and see how good they're going to be. And as you can see, the music does start because they got the real ear detections. But yeah, the sound quality of these Air 3 Pros sounds really good. They got one of the most bass on any AirPods Pros that I've tested so far on this channel. They got more bass than the i500 Pro TWS and the TWS Pro 3 version 2.0. And of course, I think that these have too much bass. They almost got as much bass as the i500 Pro TWS, the matte black version, the matte black model from MGET. It does have some clearness in the audio, but what I'm most impressed about this product is the amount of bass and how loud these are. Now I'm currently just listening to 50% of the volume, and I feel like these are really loud. So right now I'm going to test out the ear sensors. If I do remove the left side of the AirPods, they're going to pause, put it back in my ear, and as you can see, the music does play. If I do the same thing on the right side, as you can see, the music does pause, and put it back in my right ear, the music continues playing. Now of course, in this model you're going to get the same exact pressure control. If I do press one time, the music will pause. Press another time, the music does play. If I press 2 times, the music is going to switch to the next song. Triple press, as you can see, it's going to switch back to the previous song. And of course, the pressure control is going to be the same thing for the left side. So guys, this is a microphone test of the A3 Pro, one of the latest and greatest budget AirPods Pro clones that you can pick up for only $36. This is a microphone test, and this is how it sounds coming straight through the microphone without any editing. If you do lose these AirPods Pros by accident, you'll be able to find it in the Find My iPhone app, and as you can see, we can locate the AirPods Pros. Now another feature I like about this product a lot is the audio sharing feature. Simply tap right here, tap on share audio, and then you'll be able to connect to a secondary AirPods. If I do test out the transparency mode and if I do turn it on, there's actually no effect, and if I do switch to the noise cancellation, it also doesn't work. So in this model, for only $36, you're not going to get transparency mode or the ANC. So yes guys, these are the A3 Pro from AliExpress. Once again, I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can pick these up. For $36, I think these are the best AirPods Pro clones that you can pick up with the retail box, the engravings, with one of the best bass when it comes to the sound quality. And obviously, they're not going to have any transparency mode or ANC, but still, for $36, they sound really good, and I'll definitely spend the extra $1 for the silicone case. And I can really say that for this product, you're really getting what you're paying for. You know, you're getting really high quality plastic, and obviously they're not going to be as good as the TWS Pro 3 version 2.0 or the i500 Pro TWS version 2.0 from MGET, but still for $36, the quality of the plastic is really high, and I might do a comparison video between the Air 3 Pros versus the TWS Pro 3 version 2.0. I still can't believe that at this price point, you're still getting the real metal mesh and the metal vents. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe channel if you haven't already, and once again, I got more videos coming soon to your way. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Peace out.